Hello everyone, I am Shada Sharao and welcome to Sada Learning Hub. Today's session we are going to learn the most important Java interview questions. The first question is there any difference between nested classes and inner classes? Yes, inner classes are non-static nested classes. That is, inner classes are the part of nested classes. Inner classes are non-static nested classes. That is, inner classes are the part of nested classes. The next question is what is the difference between inner classes and subclasses? An inner classes is a class which is nested within the another class. An inner class has access rights for the class which is nested it and it can access all variables and methods defined in the outer class. A subclass is a class which is inherit from another class called subclass. A subclass can access all public and protected methods and fields and its superclass. An inner class is a class which is nested within the another class. And coming to the subclass, a subclass is a class which inherits from another class called subclass. A subclass can access all public and protected methods and fields of a superclass. The next question is it necessary that each try block must be followed by the catch block? It is not necessary that each try block must be followed by the catch block. It should be followed by either a catch block or a finally block, and whatever exceptions are likely to be thrown should be declared in the thrown clause of the method. It is not necessary that each try block must be followed by the catch block. It should be followed by either catch block or a finally blocks. The next question is explain the significance of try catch blocks. Whenever the exception occurs in Java, we need always to tell the JVM what code to execute. To do this, we use the try and catch block keywords. The try is used to define the block of the code in which exception may be occurred. One or more catch clauses match a specific exceptions to block of code that handles it. The try block holds exceptional code and catch block handles whatever the exception get it from the try block. The next question is what is the use of finally block? The finally block encloses the code that is always executed at some point after the try block, whether an exception was thrown or not. This is right place to close files, release your network sockets connections and perform any other cleanup of your code requires. If the try block executes with no exceptions, the final block is executed immediately after the try block completes. I- It there was an exception thrown, the final block executed immediately after proper catch block completes. This is regarding about finally block. The finally block encloses the code that is always executed at the some point after the try block, whether the exception was thrown or not. The next question is what if there is a break or return statement in try block followed by the finally blocks? If there is a return statement in the try block, the finally block executes right after the return the statement encounters and before the return executes. If there is a return statement in the try block, the finally block executes the right after return statement encounters and before return executes. The next question is can we have any try block without catch block? Yes, we, we can have the try block without catch block, but finally block should followed by the try block. It is not valid to use a try block without either a catch clause or a finally clause. Yes, we can have a try block without a catch block, but finally block should followed by the try block. The next question is, what is the difference between throw and throws? Throws is usually a method's signature if a method is capable of causing an exceptions that it does not handle, so that callers of the method can guard themselves against that exception. If a method is declared as throwing a particular class of an exceptions, then any other methods that calls it must either have a try catch clauses to handle that exceptions or must be declared to throw an exception itself. A method does not handle the exception it throws has to announce this public void my function throws my exception like this. Throw. Throw is used to trigger an exception. The exception will be caught by the nearest try catch clause that can catch the type of exception. The flow of execution stops immediately after the throw statement. Any subsequent statements are not executed. To throw a user defined exception within the block, we use the throw command. Throw new exception like that. If you see here, Java throw keyword is used to explicitly throw an exception, and throws is used Java throws keyword is used to declare an exception. Throw checked exceptions cannot be propagated using the throw only. Checked exceptions can be propagated with throws. Throw is followed by an instances. Throws is followed by a class. Throw is used within the methods. Throws is used within the method signatures. You can throw multiple exceptions. You can declare a multiple exceptions here. Next question is how to create an exception. By extending the exception class or one of its subclasses, it's possible to create a customized exceptions. The next question is what is the difference ways to handle the exception? There are the two ways to handle the exception: wrapping the desired code in the try block followed by the catch block to the catch the exceptions. List the desired exceptions in the throw clause of the method and let the caller of the method handles these exceptions. There is a two ways. One is the try catch blocks and another one is by using throws keyword.
Thank you so much watching this video. Hope this lesson helpful to you. Keep watching our lessons. Keep writing to us. Do not forget subscribe our channel Sada Learning Hub because we have many sessions that would help you to develop our skills and I will be back soon till then you take care bye bye.